Moving onward, everyone, we know that a satellite image is built from digital grids of spectral data. But what exactly are these individual layers? This brings us to part 4, what is a band? To truly understand a band, we first have to look at how we see a world compared to a satellite. Look at the top left of our infographic, the human eyes versus satellite sensor. Human vision is actually incredibly limited. We can only perceive a teeny fraction of the energy surrounding us, which we call visible light, made up of blue, green, red wavelength. Satellites, however, do not have this limitation. Look at the center diagram illustrating the electromagnetic spectrum breakdown. Light travels in waves of varying lengths. Instead of looking at the whole spectrum as one blended pictures, a satellite sensor uses specialized filter to slice this continuous spectrum into highly specific individual segments. Each of these segments or channels is called a band. Now look at the 3D layer stack on the right side of the image to see exactly how a modern multispectral satellite organizes this data into distinct digital layers. Instead of one color image, the sensor output a perfect numerical sequence. Band 1 captures the blue data layer. Band 2 captures the green data layer. Band 3 captures the red data layer. Band 4 captures the red edge data layer, but in here, Band 4, it completely depends on which satellite system you are using. In Sentinel-2, Landsat 8 and 9, Band 4 captures the red data. In Rapid Eye or PlanetScope commercial sensors, Band 4 is red edge. And Band 5 captures the NIR, which is near infrared layer. Notice that each band delivers a separate grayscale image of the exact same location. The brightness of each pixel in a layer represents the intensity of light reflected only within that specific band's wavelength. Why do we separate them like this? Look at our scientist at the bottom screen under Data Analysis Applications. Because this band exists as independent digital layers, we can manipulate how a computer screen displays them. Our eyes can't naturally see near-infrared light, but if we assign the invisible band 5, which is NIR data, to the monitor's red channel, healthy vegetation suddenly glows an intense, vibrant red. This is known as a false color composite. Because healthy leaves reflect massive amounts of infrared light. Structuring our bands this way allows us to spot crop disease or map dense forest instantly, things that would be completely invisible to human eyes. In short, a band is a specific window of light. By looking through multiple spectral windows at the exact same time, satellite allows us to see the hidden environmental chemistry of our planet.